Hello friends, it is the best day of the week. It is a fix day. Hi, I'm Shannon and I am here to show you my latest fix. It was a big one. I got 8 items in it and I have to talk a little stank about my stylist. She pretty much styled a spring fix for fall and I wasn't sure it was going to work, but I love it. And just full disclosure, I am my own stylist. I do work at Stitch Fix, so it's okay if we talk a little stank about me. So I'm already wearing 3 of the pieces, so let's get into it. So the first item I have on, actually I have 3, is this beautiful dress by, it's Nine Britain, I believe. The Arta square neck maxi dress. The color's off-white, but it's actually got blue and yellow flowers. I'm loving yellow these days, you guys. It was on sale, size large, for $38.97. So love a sale, love a maxi dress, love romantic details. On top of it, I am wearing the Nine Britain Celestia, oh no. Not Nine Britain, you guys, I'm sorry. I am wearing the pink cable cardigan, also in a beautiful little butter yellow, size large, $49. So this is new for fall. And then my third item, I'll come a little closer, is a cute little pair of Vince Camuto Jewelry Sunny Drop earrings in gold for $19. So I'm keeping all these pieces. I've already worn this dress to work. It's just beautiful tiered ruffled layers and a lovely floral print. It does feel very spring, but since we're having this hot fall, I think it works. It does have the kind of elastic, I am losing my words today, kind of ribbing here, so it's not tight. It fits a lot of bust sizes. And then the sweater is really soft. It's actually almost a little too warm for me. I'm kind of a polar bear, you guys. And then if you want to wear it as a kind of a summer look, it has these adjustable spaghetti strap ties. So let me do a spin. So yes, I love this. I am deeply romantic when it comes to my fashion choices, and I think this dress is just really fun, and I'm gonna wear it now till it gets cold, and then I'm gonna pull this baby out for spring, and I will wear it all next spring and summer. All right, let's keep going. All right, I have on the next item, which is this Z Supply Europa midi slip skirt in yellow, size large. This was on sale for $27.97. So I actually have this skirt in black. I paid full price, I think it was like $70 last season, and I still love it. But when the yellow went on sale, I had to try it. And then of course, I thought this would be a good match, and it is like a perfect match. This is that same pink sweater, and obviously I'm wearing it buttoned up as a blouse, but I think you could wear a little cami underneath it or another little shirt. I know this is a lot of yellow, but it's really different for me, and I just think it's really, really fun. Right? I mean, I think part of fashion is that it should be fun. It should bring joy. It should make you happy. It should be kind of for me, it's like a guilty pleasure. It's not even guilty. It's just a pleasure, right? And so if something makes me happy, I keep it. And I know I'm a little different. I actually been watching a little bit more YouTube lately because I've had some time. And you guys, I'm a little shocked. There's some really mean girls on YouTube making videos who are profiting off making other people feel bad with like really mean-spirited advice. So if you're watching those channels and people are telling you, don't wear this, you'll look old or you'll look fat, you know what? Just unfollow and move on. Life is too short to have that kind of negativity in your life. I generally don't like to comment about other people, but I was a little shocked at some of this stuff I'm seeing online, like telling you, don't wear capris, they'll make you look old. Don't wear cardigans. Don't. As a professional stylist, I guess professional, I say wear what makes you happy, wear what makes you feel good, wear what brings you joy, and rest of the rules, leave those to the sad sack, mean girls. Okay, enough pontificating. I will show you guys some more pieces. All right, I have on the next item. This is called the Nine Britain Celeste Chiffon Blouse in a pale yellow. We're on this yellow trend, this fix. This is a size large. Actually, everything in this box is a size large. So this was on sale for $21.97. So I did pick this up because, of course, I love a romantic floral print. It does a beautiful ruffle, and I think it was going to go well with the skirt. And okay, so I was going to return this because I thought, well, I'm keeping enough items in this box. But now that I've tried it on here for this video, I'm kind of liking it. What do you guys think? I have no self-control when it comes to clothes. It's very dangerous. Don't tell my husband. Okay, let me do a flip. Actually, full disclosure, my husband knows it's my weakness. So, okay, I might keep this. This was gonna go back, but I'm kind of liking it. At first, I didn't think I'd like this sort of almost piratey ruffle, but I'm kind of feeling it today. Maybe I'm just in a good mood, endorphins. I just went to the gym, and I sometimes think that maybe that gives me a false sense of joy. But anyway, let's keep going. All right, I have on the next piece. Let me step back. These are the Adidas Essentials 3-stripe jersey legging, size large, black, of course, with a cute white stripe, $35, which is a good price. So I would say these are low compression. You definitely could wear these to work out, but they're not like I like a little bit more compression in my workout legging. But the stripes are cute, so these could be cute if you like want to wear it with an oversized sweater and kind of as a style legging. They are comfortable and they are good length. I'm almost 6 feet tall and they're at my ankle. So I tend to wear leggings for workouts. So Mama likes some compression. So these are going to be a no, but they are new in our inventory. And I think $35 is a good price. And if you like that kind of athletic stripe look, let me give you another look. Very, very cute. So not hating them, just not going to work in my life, but I think others will like them. I have 2 more pieces to show you guys. Okay, we're on to the last 2 items. So last item is actually, I like this. I'm not keeping it because I feel like I'm keeping everything in this box almost. This is the 41 Hawthorne Rihanna tie front blouse in pink, size large, 1997. So it's got this cute little tie, which I have tied, but I suppose you could do other things with it. You could wear it like looser, like this. Of course, I love me some pink, so the color is great. The fit is nice. And it actually is, I'm going to pull this out. There are 2 layers here. So it's not hot, but you don't feel like it's too thin or, you know, you're showing all your rolls and dimples and things. I'll do a quick spin. It's on sale. And again, okay, I'm having second thoughts because I was going to return this, but then I'm like, oh, I kind of like this. I'm just wearing jeans with it, but it would look very cute under a jacket or a blazer. It looked really nice with a pencil skirt. Pretty universal. And if you like pink, this is actually, I gotta say, I kind of recommend this. Okay, last item I'm just gonna hold up because it's a pair of shoes and I don't want to move my camera. These are a pair of MIA, I think Priscilla flat in black, size 11 because I have a big hoof. $21.87. These are on sale. So I'm keeping these because I like flats, especially when I'm wearing like the longer skirts and dresses in the summer. And they're just a pretty little patent leather and they're on sale. So yes. All right, so let's talk prices. So as you guys know, Stitch Fix does offer a buy everything or buy 5 discount. I don't get that, but as an employee, I get like an employee discount, which is a little bit more than the buy 5 discount. So the whole box was gonna cost $233, but if I kept everything, it's about $150. So I'm kind of thinking I should just keep everything. What do you guys think? I mean, I think all these pieces are really cute. I think the prices were good. I think I haven't had a buy 5 in like, or buy 8. This is a buy 8 in years. So this could be the one. And it's funny because it's not even, it's more spring. But again, I'm just enjoying the colors and the fits. So let me know what you guys think of this fix. Also, let me know, how do you feel when your stylist kind of goes outside season? I know some folks really want seasoned. They want their box to match the season. Do not send me a short sleeve shirt in November. Do not send me a lightweight sweater in June. I get that. I'm a little bit more flow with it, so I don't mind when there's a little bit of play in my fixes. Anyway, if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing and clicking the like button. And if you're interested in trying Stitch Fix, I will put my link below, which gives me a little credit. I never do that, you guys, because I already get discounts, but I'll put it out there because if you feel like, hey, I want to try it, we're a really good service. We're really easy to use. You can do one and done, use it when you want, get regular fixes. It's very easy to navigate. It's not hard. It's not one of those situations where you're like, I don't know how to cancel. So again, as a stylist and also as a client, I highly recommend. Anyway, it's great to see you guys. Let me know how your fixes are going, what you're getting, and we will talk again soon. Bye.